saw something. It was not good. Check out last videos if you want to see what happened. Now let's get into the video. Shh. Guys, get quiet. Okay. That's me. Is that him? Over there. Right over there. Over there. See him? He's running. He's gone. Right over there. He's gone. He's good in the car. Right over there. Run. Go. Okay. I see him. He's right over there. Do you see him? He's behind that tree. Okay. He saw me. He saw me. Okay, he ran. He's all the way over there. He's running. Do you see him? This camera's bad, so probably don't. Okay. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna go over here. I'm like spooked. I need to leave the episode.